Welcome DIKWP, 小gun aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Forget the usual origin stories. What if life isn't just a biological fluke, but a fundamental pattern in the cosmic code? We're diving into the DIKWP model, data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose, as the blueprint for life's emergence from the universe itself. Buckle up. So, how does this DIKWP thing actually work? Think of it like climbing a ladder. At the bottom, we have raw data, photons zapping around, chemical gradients. Life starts sensing these signals. Then, information emerges, patterns are recognized, cells start talking to each other. Next, knowledge gets stored, DNA becomes the ultimate library, memories form. Wisdom kicks in, integrating all that knowledge, making smart decisions, maybe even thinking about thinking. And finally, purpose, the big kahuna. This is goal-directed action, from basic survival instincts to human ambition. It's not a sudden leap, but a step-by-step climb, each rung built on the last. Simple, elegant, and utterly profound. Okay, the big question, how do we get from rocks and water to RNA? That's crossing a massive complexity threshold. The RNA world hypothesis gives us a fascinating clue. Imagine molecules that can both store information and catalyze reactions, like tiny, self-replicating factories. This is the first glimmer of life's core function, turning energy into information. In the DIKWP terms, the RNA sequence is the data/knowledge. Its ability to fold and catalyze is the function or intent. And the self-replication process is the beginning of a system that preserves and propagates itself. It's the universe's first draft of a living system, a primitive but functional DIKWP loop. Now, let's zoom out. DIKWP isn't just for humans, it's everywhere, nested within scales. Down at the microscopic level, atoms have their energy states, molecules form bonds, DNA stores genetic blueprints, ribosomes act like tiny molecular machines, showing early wisdom. Move up to the mesoscopic scale, individual organisms, cells communicate, brains process information. We see full-blown knowledge, wisdom, and purpose. And then, microscopically, societies, civilizations, global networks, we see collective DIKWP in action, shared knowledge, societal wisdom, and grand purposes. It's like Russian dolls, each layer containing the structure of the one before it, all part of the same grand cosmic story. Here's where it gets really mind-bending. Life is essentially an entropy-reducing machine, a local pocket of order fueled by negative entropy. Does this contradict the universe's overall trend towards chaos? Not really. It's perfectly consistent with the second law: the universe pays the entropy tax elsewhere. But here's the kicker, inspired by Professor Duan, consciousness or self-awareness might arise from a DIKWP times DIKWP coupling, basically, a system observing itself. Could the entire universe be doing something similar? A semantic cosmology emerges, the universe as a giant, multi-layered DIKWP network, evolving from simple data to potential collective purpose. Mind equals blown. So, what's next? Artificial intelligence, silicon-based life. They're not just sci-fi anymore. They fit right into our DIKWP framework. Could AI evolve along similar lines? Carbon-silicon fusion seems inevitable. But this brings huge ethical questions. Rights for AI? Responsibility? Coexistence? The ultimate question remains, what is the universe's purpose, and what role will we and our creations play in it? That's the cosmic puzzle we're still piecing together. Thanks.